Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. So we are now on day 5 and I have a pretty busy day ahead of me, so I'm going to choose a room that won't take me too long. We're going to tackle Tennyson's nursery. It's a little messy at the moment, but I think I can tackle it in a short period of time. So if you want to come along with me, let's go ahead and get started. If you haven't yet, hit that subscribe button, give this video a like, and stick around for some more. So first things first, as always, I am going to clean the room up. I'm going to start by putting away her clean laundry, picking up the floor, and getting everything out of the room that doesn't belong in there before I hit the baseboards and vacuum and dust. The boxes of Huggies in this corner are going to end up staying here. I have to sell or donate those because Tennyson is allergic to Huggies products, we just found out. I was so glad that we started today in this room because I forgot this box of clothes was down there and it's the next size she's going into. I was really excited to find all that. When cleaning Tennyson's room, I typically only use the Wrek all-purpose cleaner when I wipe down all of her furniture and things she's going to be touching.
You're not fooling me, not fooling anyone. Got your head in a cloud, so delusional. In an ocean of this emotional. Best be sure I'll be there when you're looking for something more. Feeling so hollow, don't you know, don't you know, I'm living in shadow, don't you know, don't you know, I fell for fool's gold, I fell for fool's gold, what did I know? What did I...
After I vacuumed, I went ahead and sprayed all of her linens and fabrics and carpets with the Wrek odor eliminator, and then I was finished. This room didn't take me very long. It started off really messy, and I'm so pleased with the turnout.
You a fool's gold. Yes, I did.
Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope it motivated you to tackle another room today. If you haven't yet, please hit that subscribe button and consider sticking around.